Before this video starts, the stream cut out halfway through the match, so I only got a bit of the update night. Sad face.
I saw a spaceship right there.
Oh yeah, I saw that, yeah. So I guess
We were over there, so... Yeah, it was going to Slurpee then, wasn't it? Yeah, let's go to Believer. See you guys when we've landed down there. Bed drop. There you go. Got a bed drop now.
Nice music.
Turned off my music. Might be copyright, that's why I'm not.
I mean, it's not really like... Oh no, okay, no, we've got like no time to do anything.
Much as I can. Got 2 ARs, there's an AK there if you want it. Brick. Okay, I'm
Here we
going.
are. No!
Yeah. We're gone, here we go. The second time.
Oh, okay, here we are. Now I'm a little Wait, I can't see you.
I'm still in this thing. I'm still
Are you
on it. Because you went before.
hi.
Here we go, I'm in.
I'm going. Bye!
No! I'm going, well. See you there.
Here we are.
You'll probably have longer than me, won't you? Will you? Oh no. How long do you have? I've got like 50.
I got 56.
Yeah. Because my delay is
Oh wait, let's see. Oh wait, it's on there.
Ow!
Ah.
Been hit. I've been hit again! This guy, how is this guy hitting all his shots? Jesus. This guy's got God aim. Getting another. Hopefully. Got it. This platform. Yeah, I don't think, when we're on these platforms, I don't think we can go anywhere. Yeah, we can't.
There's an up here.
What like the,
I'm not sure.
Can we go in the butter
It
barn?
puts up your vault here.
I think we can.
Can you actually?
Oh yeah, I'm in the butter barn.
Nah,
memories!
again. Oh,
The memories!
yeah, just saying. It's like if you look at our old videos, this was basically
we've got
like places that.
Yeah, do you want to swap so you can have a look around?
Well, I'm like
There's someone here.
really far away from them.
You can come over. Keep collecting orbs on the way though.
We've got a vault here. Vault here upgraded. No!
Get another one. Yes,
I
I
have.
did.
Let's go. I'm at the barn.
Nice.
I've got 20 seconds to come and explore this place. Welcome down to the butter barn. Yes, it's last time I probably heard that.
I don't have the music. So,
Oh no. Here we go. We're gonna get adopted. No.
okay, we've gone. Okay, I've got a pump. That's where I are. Another pump.
Oh, you know your vault's here. I think I know what it is. Like, this is the vault. When you get those like your loot orbs, it depends what that makes your loot when you get for your loot. Because I got uncommon. Because I got 1 orb.
No!
No, it's quite an attack. No, basically back.
Yeah,
That's
back
a
now.
cool feature.
Yeah,
That's really cool.
that might make me play a bit longer, you know, if we just keep going. Do you reckon we can go again? We'll have another go, you know.
Yeah.
Go to retail this time though. Like retail's
Okay.
in circle, isn't it? I'm just gonna land on the launch pad. Okay. Going again. Oh, it didn't boost me high at all.
Yes, minis. Let's go. They are glad to see me.
Give me more minis here, come on. Done.
Yes.
Pop one of my 3 big pots here. It's over at that house.
Okay. Cool. Got some minis.
You got a big pot.
Oh, I already have one. You can
Okay,
take it.
grab it back. Yeah.
Come on.
Oh, something just got
I'm not
killed
sure if it
over there.
happens twice.
Hopefully it does, because this is still in circle.
Yeah,
Yeah,
cool.
this kid's there. Oh god.
I've got a railgun.
Let's flip that dust quickly. Grab some mats on the way.
Oh, should I go for the shot or not?
Nah, I wouldn't risk it. I don't want to get in a fight now.
Oh, he's burning. Oh, no, he's not.
Come on,
What
get
house is
us.
burning?
It looks like so close. It looks like I'm under it, but then it's all the way over there
Yeah.
on the map. I'm literally under it, I swear.
Up there, I haven't really explored up there, honestly.
Yeah.
There's an alien spaceship. Wait, oh, there's one up here. Oh no, no,
Flip.
kinda. I think, wait, I can shoot him down. Oh, they fell! They dropped down. They're gonna die? Wait,
Oh, look.
did they die? They dropped like down like, yeah, they did, look! They just took the landing. That,
Oh,
that
there's a
was the
shotgun.
spaceship, that's what fell down.
Do you have a shotgun?
Oh,
There's
let's-
attack here.
What's that? I don't. Oh, okay.
You can have the pump. I'll give you some ammo.
Yeah.
I'll take the tack. I like tacks more. Oh god, there's a bouncer
Oh,
thing.
bouncer.
No,
that's
it's
cool.
not. No.
Oh, but, oh, shit.
Don't go on it.
Oh my
Go
god.
in storm.
Yeah, I'm gonna go on the other one now.
Yeah, that looks fun to be honest. I want to go on the other one now. I got peppers luckily, so I can go like. Oh no,
Whee!
no! Oh my god, I nearly
Are you
landed.
falling off? Oh my god.
I nearly landed.
Wait, oh, that spaceship's falling down. I might go get it.
Oh yeah, yeah. We could just jump off the edge, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
And land on it. Oh. No, I got hit. I'm in it.
Oh, hi!
Hello.
Let me break it because it's
Oh,
quite
it's
low.
kids.
Let's wait.
I was gonna spam them.
Well, they're being third party by someone else.
Wow.
Oh no,
Wow.
mate. Oh, God.
Get out. Ow.
Oh, of course that was the last life as well.
Oh, of course.
Grenades.
What?
Away!
That's other people, I swear. That's behind.
Oh my god!
I'm dead. I literally just popped a mini as well. I have no more minis. I got only 2 big pots. Oh, we're not even in circle.
Shot pushing on there. Well, they're not pushing.
They're fighting. I shouldn't have shot. We need to go by. Get in here.
He's gunshot.
Go.
Literally there. Oh my god, no! Please don't. Please, mate. Oh, I'm gonna get
Just build behind. Build behind. But nice. Good builds. There are people up here. Nice. Get up here. Get up here. If we get, I'm just scared of them.
Yeah, they might. Is this fire? Like, I think the smoke.
Yeah, yeah,
looks like
you
a
can.
little-
Yeah, they can see it. This is a new update. Just like that. Remember
Yeah.
update. Stoke it again.
Oh, of course it runs out. You're
Wow.
so close.
I just stoked it as well. That's the boat bouncing.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's just having a dance.
That's the title, bouncing boat.
Yeah. Yes. Oh god.
Yeah,
New update. This happens in update night, guys.
yeah. No update, guys.
Bouncing boat.
That's fun.
Really?
Oh, now it's spinning.
You stopped the vibe. Oh.
Still going. It's just doing a very slow 360. Oh, it stopped.
Oh,
Please.
what? Oh, now it's Oh. Oh, now it's moving backwards. Nice.
It's gone.
Oh, it's
Bye.
coming back.
Oh, it's coming back.
It was revenge. Ah!
Anyway,
Right. Yeah, it's just
bouncing boat. That was fun to meet the title. Thanks for being our titles. Had a sniper. What was that?
Oh,
chicken.
chicken.
Watch out! There's a chicken. Oh, there's a kid.
Oh, that's right there.
Cracked.
He's shooting his whites and
Oh,
whites.
it's two.
Oh, so there's someone to the side.
I don't have the mats for this, man.
Oh! Oh, I knocked him. One of them just out. He's got. I'm
They just shot.
Teammate
They just
is
shot. I
down there.
think.
Teammate's using medkit. Oh no, we're being third-partied by someone else.
It's on me. Nice!
Oh, yes, I got him. On my thing.
Need to reload now.
Yeah, there's people that way. Well, we can shoot.
Okay, should we move? Early move, I say.
Yeah, early move. Is anyone around? Oh, 29. I'll take that, level 29. I guess I'll go push Catty way.
Yeah.
We need to get height first. I think if we get height at Catty, it'll be good.
Should we get on the top of here, at least?
Yeah, there's a,
Nah, I think yeah, let's go to the top of here, actually.
actually, you can't even go under there.
I'm being targeted, threat 2, as well.
Oh, yeah. I want someone on the bridge.
I just realised if we win this will be the first win on both of our channels,
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
pretty sure.
Yeah. I can go for a, should I go for a, nah, so risky.
Is that someone gliding? There's people down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, good shot.
Look at this
Brilliant.
horse.
Thing is, I have no blue hills. Go for it. People down to our
Well,
right
I
as well. Try and get a different angle,
Oh,
maybe.
85. 85 blue. Should I throw out to the right? I might build there.
There's a truck there if we need to ram into them.
Okay.
Should
Oh,
we? Nah, that.
Oh wait, there's grenades there. Oh.
I was gonna go for them as well.
No way! It's like me. Oh no. Oh, we're being third party. They're spraying.
We need to go. We need to go.
Oh, they're fishing. Oh, of course they get the
Because they get the nades, yeah. I'm dead. Oh, actually built time.
Cracked one.
I'm 1 HP.
Cracked another. Oh no.
Up in dead.
Oh, got it. No.
No chance they don't.
Away.
Should I get in the car and run?
I mean, yeah, break all the builds. Probably.
Shall I?
Uh,
I think hiding. Oh god, my head's poking through the ceiling.
yeah, your head. Yeah.
Flip, that's not a good idea there.
Oh, you have to go zone as well.
They see us. They see. I can't even get in. It doesn't let me. Wow.
Oh, you have to inside.
Can't even build there, man. Didn't even let me shoot. Oh yeah, that's such sprays. On a scale of 1 to 5, how would you rate Fortnite Battle Royale?
Is it really?
Yeah, I'm gonna rate. To be honest, it's a 2 for me.
I would go. I think that'll wrap up the video. So one game, but because the other one cut out. I mean, it was a good game. Got 4th. We were close, and we explored the new update,
Believer Beach.
which is quite cool. Yeah, and Believer Beach. I think this may say Fortnite, but nah, Fortnite is still on the downfall. But I'm always positive for it. It's been a big part of my life. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Bye!